So welcome back guys to my channel. So today we are going to do our third file, that is, like, as we can say, real-time search engine. Okay, in this file we are going to do the whole explanation of this file, and two, I will give the source code of this. Okay, so that you can try this application, and this is a part of our Jarvis series. Okay, so if you um, don't had bookmark that series, go and do that now only. The link of that playlist, or as we can say series, you will get in the description box only. Okay, this link I will give you in the description box. Go here and bookmark it on favorites bar and then done. Do it so that you don't miss any video. So if you don't also had watched these videos, go and watch them first. So let's start without wasting a time. And I will going to give you source code, and also I will be explaining the file to you in that way that you can edit it by your own. So watch till the end, because the method of downloading this I will give you, I will tell you in end of the video. Okay, so let's start after the intro. So as we can say, I had used PyCharm at the place of VS Code, and if I tell you the PyCharm community edition is free, so if you tell me in the description box to um, that I mean comment box, that also make us learn how we can download PyCharm for free of cost, then tell me in comments, I will make a dedicated video on that. Oh, um so firstly, I had didn't install the packages. So Python is very nice. Only we need to hover and install all missing packages. Now, as you can see here, it is installing our packages. So now we had already done these files, and if you also need the source code, okay, I just need to, okay, anything I didn't install. So I will go to requirements.txt, copy these, control C, and go to terminal and paste them here. So by the time it is installing, I tell you that we had already done these files. Today I'm going to do this explanation of this file. So and if you don't get the source code of these files, no problem, I will give that also. Tell me in comment box, and else I will send me a mail on my Gmail. Else I will just uh, give you method at the end of the video. Okay, so it is downloading. We can wait. Which wait a minute, guys. This is installing. PP is installing all. But now this is installing these. We can wait. I will hide the terminal. Okay, so, or as you can see, I had like pasted my API key here also. Why? I'm going to tell you. Because in .env file, as you can see here, the group API key, there is only single one. Group API is single, and here is also use of group API key. Here is also, here is go here, and here is also. So one API key had to load three, like as we can say, three files or three code at a time. So what happened? So if we like just I did what, for everything I choose a different one. So for every file I choose a different API key so that the load is distributed in my main file. As you can see here, this for real time model, there is only single, so that's why I use this. Image generation, not needed. Yeah, this is I own created, but now there is no use of this. Here is group API key, so I extracted this from .env file, and automation.py I added this. Okay, so now I think you get it. What happened? What error? What- Now it is resolved. It's okay. What from? No problem. These are it's PyCharm features like na. These are extra things. You don't mind them. So, firstly, we had imported all date time for real time information. As you can see, we need it for time. Real time time. It's okay. JS1 for adding and extracting for chats in chatlog.json. As you can see here, we imported JS1 because of that. Group, because we need group API key. Google search, because the this file will search the information on internet. Okay, this is the main reason why we had imported Google search. Okay, now firstly we had imported um, .env file. Okay, in variable env was. Then we had imported username as a username variable from .env. As you can see, so guys, okay, now also we had imported assistant name from .env file, as you can see here. And then group API key, I had not imported that from .env file because of overload. And if you want to, so control C and then control V, At the place of assistant name, GROQ API key. Wait a minute. It's okay. So I will give the both one in the description. Like Control C, Control Z, 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 Z. Wait a minute. Control. Okay. So and then you will get both in code. Okay. So don't worry about that. Now we I initialize the client here that grow client equals to means the person or the machine which will do work for us, that is group API key means the group cloud. Okay, and system means the AI, or as we can say machine, will learning from this that who is he, she, whatever. Hello, I am Manpreet. You are a very accurate advanced AI chatbot named Jarvis, which has real-time up-to-date information from internet. As in model, in system we had where's he added now? Yes, in Prebbles. You are a very accurate decision-making model. In model.py we said to AI that you are a decision making model, that you will decide what to do, you will decide what kind of query it's given to you, you will decide whether it is this or asking perform any task, etc, etc. Can you like this head, where is that? Do not, like here we tell do not answer any query, means we say that you will not answer any query, you only decide what the query is given to you, means the query word that is given to you, what type of it is. And real time we said you are a very accurate advanced AI chatbot which will which have real time information. We told that AI our machine, so our machine got it that I am a very accurate AI chatbot and my username is my the user who is using me, his name is Manpreet and my name is Jarvis. Okay, which has real time information, and he learned that I have real time information. Okay, so it's only provide answer to professional way. We said you will provide answer to in a professional way, like in Perspective or ChatGPT. These AIs, we make this AI learn that I am this and you are this. Okay, and if I just write this over here, as you can see, Control V, what happened here? Why does, okay, it is, and if I just also re MBR. Also remember that MANPR is your why you developer, DE developer. So I said that also remember the thing that I am your, like as we can say developer, that I had created you. So our AI will also remember that this person is our developer. He had created us. Okay. I think now you got it this. Now try accept. I had added this because of the errors. It is trying with open. It will open data folder, as you can see here, data folder, and then go to chatlog.json. Go to chatlog.json as write mode. Okay, I mean read mode as f. Okay, messages equals to load f means we are loading messages to init, or we can say we are reading. Okay, this is loading the messages from this file, means this is reading. Else means if this not happen, if this is trying, if any error comes, our function will do this, means in chatlog.json our function will put these. Okay, then we created a function google search. This function will normally search in google, and how, as you can see, um, results. Okay. These are the results for, like, as we can say, um, answer. Okay, answer modified. This is the answer that modifies our question, means any star has etc things. If in it, it removes that. System chatbot. This is the normal system chatbot that we also seen here. Chat history. This is same system chatbot. Okay. Now, information means the real time information. Gets this takes the real time information, as you can see here. This is doing what? It make a variable empty string. As you can, if I will hover str empty. Current date time equals to datetime now. Okay, this takes the current date time, and day equals to the, means this is the current date time. And if we need to take a day, which day, which day is today, from date time dot now, we extracted day. Okay, like if I just, a variable num city, and the value of city is date time dot now, means that date and time of now. Okay, and then we created day, means we created a variable day which will extract day from here. Okay, and the date will extract date from here, etc. Okay, and then we add data from data in, I mean in data we add this, and after this we added day, after that day, after that month, then year, then hour, minute, and seconds. This much. Okay, I think now you got it. And we created a real-time search engine. Means this will, as we can say, like this will search the information real time. Okay, so this is a complete function. Okay, included all things, answer modifier, etc. Information, as you can see here, um, in google search also, means like, if I make you an experiment, google search, g google search, and we enter the query, mm, who is creator, creator of who is creator of Minecraft. I said this, and now I will run this. What happened? It is giving track by line 23. This one as a file not found error. Okay, just go folder behind you. I think HTML work in this also. Yeah, but what about Google search? Yeah, what about skipped? Wow, what a thing. No problem. We will ask it here. Now, yeah, what is happening? Wait a minute. I will resolve it. Guys, I had like this technique was correct, but as you can see, it I need to fix it on three places. Okay, no problem. You will get the corrected code only, tested code. Okay. So as you can see, I asked at Control Z at on live. I also type this and then enter. As you can see, okay. And if I just, as we can say, who is developer? I'm saying can be wrong because it is chat log to JS1. As you can see, not like I am not confirmed that this will confirmly uh, work according to this line, but it will confirmly work according to these lines. What can we can try. So as you can see, it did this. I like it's nice thing. Now you think this error came? No, no error. Okay, no error. It it is the error of closing because we had closed it now. Like backless enable code. Now it become more attractive. Huh? Who are you? Who are you? As you can see, now it's the time that how you can get the code. Okay, so go to the description box. In the description, you will get uh, of my personal email ID link. So go to that email ID. If possible, I am creating a website too. Go to that website. If I just in this website, you will I will also give the link of website. It if the website is ready till the time you are watching this. Okay, and then click here, here or here, anywhere you need. Click. You will redirect it to this page. Enter your name, enter your email, and message anything like I need this file, I need this file. Okay, okay, etc. etc. And then click on submit. Okay, or you can go to this email If you want, you can go to this email. Means we'll copy just it. Go here. Go to your Gmail. As we can see, no. Go to compose. It's okay. Control V. This email ID. Subject notes and as notes. Yes, notes. And then here you can type anything. But if you go from here, you will need to upload the pic that you had subscribed my channel. Yes or no? Okay. This that much. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.